Ditch the guesswork and supercharge your PTE Retell Lecture score with this ultimate practice guide. First, select your lecture and choose one appropriate for your PTE level, typically between 60 to 90 seconds long, found on official PTE practice websites. Next, listen intently during the lecture, trying to understand the subject and start taking notes using keywords to feed into a 40-second response. Note-taking is a crucial skill focus on core points, key vocabulary, and the lecture's overall structure. Begin your response with a general introductory phrase like the lecture was about or the speaker discussed. While you speak, integrate your keywords and key concepts into a narrative that conveys the lecture's core message. Practice speaking smoothly and clearly, maintain good pronunciation and a steady pace, using only words you know, and speaking confidently while managing your time. Practice and analyze your performance. Record each attempt and evaluate your performance, identifying areas for improvement in note-taking, fluency, vocabulary, and content. Consistent practice can significantly improve your score and confidence.